Hello friends, today I am discussing about the nomenclature of amines. Amines means the compounds obtained by replacing the hydrogen atoms in the ammonia by alkyl or aryl groups. As for example, RNH2, RNH R dash, RN R dash, R double dash. These are the amines. So amines are of three types, namely 1 degree or primary, secondary or 2 degree, and tertiary or 3 degree. Today I am discussing about the nomenclature of all three types. There are two kinds of naming of organic compounds. One is trivial name, and other is IUPAC naming. Now for primary amine, that is RNH2, this is obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from ammonia by alkyl group. This is 1 degree amine or primary amine. At first, trivial name of primary amine. Primary amines are named by after the naming of alkyl group and amine is added with it. As for example, CH3NH2, CH3NH2, CH3 is methyl and NH2 is amine. So methyl amine, it is the trivial name. CH3CH2NH2, here CH3CH2 is the ethyl group, so its name will be ethyl amine. NH2 means amine, so ethyl amine. CH3CH2CH2NH2, here N-propylamine, CH3CH2CH2 is known as N-propyl group, so it is N-propylamine. CH3CH, at the bottom of CH is written NH2 and then CH3, so it is isopropyl amine, isopropyl amine. Now IUPAC name. IUPAC name is done in two ways. In the previous days, aminomethane, aminoethane, etc. were written, but nowadays anamine is added at the last and meth for 1 carbon atoms, eth for 2 carbon atoms, etc. are written at prefix nowadays. So CH3NH2 will be meth plus anamine, that is methanamine. At previous days it was called aminomethane. CH3CH2NH2, CH3CH2NH2 will be named as aminoethane, as there is 2 carbon, or nowadays ethanamine, or aminoethane. if there are 3 carbon atoms, then position of NH2 should be mentioned. As for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Naming will be done from the lower carbon atoms, lower side, that is CH2, NH2. Here position 1, 2, 3. So it will be named as 1-amino-propane in the previous days. 1-amino-propane. Nowadays, propan 1-amine. 1-amine. Similarly, CH3, CH, CH3 and NH2 is attached with 2 non-carbon atoms. So it will be named as 2-aminopropane. In the previous days, it was named as 2-aminopropane. Nowadays, it will be propan 2-amine. In this way, if there are some replaced group, that is branch of carbon atoms, then at first name of branch will be done. As for example, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, NH2. It will be named as, at first numbering should be done, taking NH2 in the lower side. So it will be named as 2-methyl. Here replaced group is methyl, a branch is there. So 2-methyl propan 1-amine. 2-methyl propan 1-amine. In this way, you can name the more primary amines. Now I am discussing about secondary amines. Secondary amines means when you replaced 2 hydrogen atoms from ammonia by alkyl groups, and there are 2 kinds of secondary amine, simple and mixed. For simple amine, there will be 2 alkyl groups of same kind, but for mixed amine there are different alkyl groups attached to it NH. Secondary amines, here NH is present as functional group, and the alkyl groups may or may not be same. As for example, RNH R dash, this is mixed amine when R and R dash are different, but if R NH R, then it will be simple. As for example, CH3 NH CH3, this is simple. In this case, for trivial name, di is used, di, and then name of alkyl group, di-methyl. 2 methyl groups are there, so di-methyl amine. CH3 CH2 NH CH2 CH3. It is another example of simple secondary amine. So here 2 ethyl groups are present with NH. So it will be named as diethyl amine for trivial name. If there are 2 different alkyl groups, namely CH3 NH CH2 CH3, here ethyl and methyls are attached with NH, so it will be named alphabetically. So ethyl first, then methyl, ethyl methyl amine, ethyl methyl amine. Now IUPAC naming. For IUPAC naming of simple secondary amine, one alkyl group is considered as N-alkyl group. As for example, N-methyl CH3 NH CH3. So here N-methyl and methanamine, since there are one carbon atom for both alkyl group. CH3 CH2 NH CH2 CH3, here are two carbon atoms. So N-ethyl ethanamine. CH3 NH CH2 CH3. This is a mixed amine. For mixed secondary amine, the alkyl groups containing lower number of carbon atoms is considered as replaced group. So here N-methyl, at first N-methyl ethanamine. In this way you can name the secondary amines. Now I am discussing about tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is obtained by replacing all three hydrogen atoms from ammonia by alkyl groups. Alkyl groups may be same or different, and three kinds of tertiary amines should be obtained. As for example, all three alkyl groups are same. Here CH3 N CH3 CH3. Three CH3 groups are attached with nitrogen. So its trivial name will be trimethyl amine. Trimethyl amine. CH3 CH2 N CH2 CH3, again CH2 CH3. Here 3 CH2 CH3 is attached with nitrogen, so it is triethyl amine. Similarly, CH3 CH2 N CH3 CH3. Here 2 methyl and 1 ethyl groups are attached with nitrogen, so it will be named as N-dimethyl ethanamine in the IUPAC system. N-dimethyl ethanamine or ethyl dimethylamine in the trivial system. Ethyl first, then dimethyl, as two methyl groups are attached. Ethyl dimethyl amine. Now IUPAC name is written by considering two alkyl groups as replaced group. That is, for CH3 whole 3N, it will be named as N-dimethyl methanamine. For CH3 CH2 whole 3N, it will be named as N-diethyl ethanamine. And for CH3 whole 2N CH2 CH3, that is 2 methyl and 1 ethyl, then it will be named as N-dimethyl ethanamine. So students, you learn about the naming of amines. Please subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you.